Have you ever wondered how rice, a staple food for half of the world, is grown? It's a question that might not cross our minds as we dig into a bowl of fragrant pilaf or a plate of sushi, but the process is a fascinating one. Rice cultivation dates back over 10,000 years and is believed to have originated in the Yangtze River Valley in China. Since then, it has spread across the globe, becoming a fundamental part of numerous cultures and cuisines. From the paddy fields of Thailand to the terraces of the Philippines, rice is more than just a grain. It's a symbol of life, prosperity, and in many places, a sacred offering. In the world today, billions of people rely on this humble grain for their daily sustenance. It's a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors who transformed wild grass into a food source that could sustain civilizations. Rice cultivation is an art that has been perfected over thousands of years. And today we will take a closer look at this fascinating process. Rice, known scientifically as Oryza sativa, is a plant that thrives in very specific conditions. There are over 40,000 varieties of this versatile grain, all with diverse growth requirements. The most common types include long grain, short grain, and medium grain rice. Each type has unique characteristics and culinary uses. The climate plays a significant role in rice cultivation. Rice plants prefer a tropical climate with high humidity and temperatures consistently above 20 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is also crucial, as rice plants need plenty of water to grow. But it's not just about the weather, the type of soil is a major factor too. Rice plants love nutrient-rich, clay-like soil that can retain water well. This is why you often see rice paddies flooded with water, creating a perfect environment for the rice plant to flourish. With the right conditions, the rice plant can produce a bountiful yield. But how exactly does this process take place? Growing rice is a meticulous process divided into several crucial steps. This journey begins with land preparation. The field, or paddy, is plowed to loosen the soil, allowing roots to penetrate deeper. Once plowed, the field is flooded with water, creating a soft, muddy surface ideal for rice growth. This also helps to control weed growth, preventing competition for nutrients. Next comes the selection of seeds. It's important to choose high-quality seeds of a variety known to thrive in your local climate. These seeds are then soaked in water for about 24 hours to kickstart the germination process. Once the seeds have germinated, they are ready for planting. The young seedlings are transplanted into the paddy, spaced out to allow each plant ample room to grow. They are then submerged in the water, a unique aspect of rice farming that sets it apart from other crops. Now we move on to the growth and care stage. For the next 4 to 5 months, the rice plants will need to be carefully monitored. Regular water changes are crucial to prevent stagnation and the spread of diseases. And while rice plants are hardy, they do need protection from pests and extreme weather conditions. As the plants mature, the grains begin to form. When they turn golden, it's a sign that they are ready for harvest. Using a sickle or harvester, the ripe stalks are cut and collected. This is a labor-intensive process, often done by hand, but the result is a bountiful yield of golden grains. The final step is processing. The harvested rice is threshed to separate the grain from the stalk and then winnowed to remove the husk or chaff. What remains is the edible grain, which is then dried and stored, ready to be cooked into a delicious meal. And there you have it, the journey of a rice grain from seed to your plate. Growing rice is an intricate and labor-intensive process that requires a lot of patience and care. It's a dance with nature where timing, conditions, and care play pivotal roles. Remember, the ideal conditions for rice cultivation are warm, humid climates and lowland areas with water retention. The steps we've covered, from preparing the seedbed, transplanting the seedlings, to managing the growth and eventually harvesting, each demand attention to detail and a discerning eye. It's a process that unfolds over months, and each stage is as crucial as the last. Rice isn't merely a staple food for over half the world's population. It's a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, a crop that requires a delicate balance of conditions to grow and yet has been cultivated for thousands of years. Next time you enjoy a bowl of rice, remember the journey it took to get to your plate and the hard work of the farmers who made it possible.